Welcome to our class, and today's class we are going to learn an important grammar part. Children, everyone's ready? Good. And today we are going to learn the grammar part, that is homophones. Okay children? Good. Now everyone take your English concept book and take page number 51 in your concept book. Okay children, and see the concept connection. We have already learned about the words that have similar meanings. There are many words that sound same but have different meanings. Let's learn more about them. So, homophones. What is homophones? Homophone is a word that is spoken or pronounced in the same way as another word but has a different meaning or spelling. A homophone is a word that is spoken or pronounced in the same way as another word but has a different meaning or spelling. So homophones has a same pronunciation but it is a different spelling and different meaning. Okay children? So everyone's clear? Okay, let's see some example for homophones. Sun, S-O-N, sun, S-U-N, sun. It is the same pronunciation but it give a different meaning. This is my sun. The sun rises in the east. The same word but it give a different meaning. Okay children? Good. And see some examples in your book. Pear, pear. I love eating a pear for breakfast. Rom is wearing a pair of green shoes. So everyone's clear children? Good. And see page number 52 in your concept book. Read the birthday card below. The word deer. What is the meaning of deer? It means man. So the word deer has been used instead of deer. So read the birthday card below. The word deer has been used instead of deer. Deer, deer. The same words used in the instead of the deer used instead of deer. If homophones are used incorrectly, they change the meaning of a sentence. If homophones are used incorrectly, they change the meaning of the sentence. So everyone read the birthday card. Dear Arpit, many happy returns of the day. Okay, it give a different meaning, right? It change the sentence. Okay, children, and see some more examples of homophones. So everyone's read these words, the same pronunciation but it give a different meaning. So everyone's read these words. Once everyone's open your mouth and read these words. Pain, pan. Whale, whale. Road, road. Break, break. Story, story. Peace, peace. Foul, foul. Wood, wood. Pour, pour. Sail, sail. Eight, eight. Floor, floor. Night, night. West, west. So pain, it's a very paining, pain. It means a small கண்ணாடி பீசஸ் சொல்கிறோம்ல ஸ்மால் மிரர் பீசஸ் கண்ணாடி பீசஸ் மாதிரி இருக்கும். அந்த வேல் இஸ் அன் ஃபிஷ். திஸ் வேலுங்கிறது புலம்பிகிட்டே இருக்கிறது. அண்ட் தென் நெக்ஸ்ட் ஒன் ரோடு, த ரோட் சைடு ரோடு, ஆர்ஓடி ரோடு, த பாஸ்ட் ஃபார்ம் ஆஃப் ரைட். அண்ட் பிரேக். ஃபர்ஸ்ட் பிரேக் இஸ் அ வெஹிக்கல் ஸ்டாப் பண்ணுறதுக்கு ஒரு பிரேக் யூஸ் பண்ணுறோம். வண்டியில் பிரேக் போடு அதே பிஆர்இக்கு பிரேக் மீன்ஸ் லெட்ஸ் பிரேக். ஸோ பிரேக் இடைவெளி அப்படின்னு சொல்கிறோம்ல, பிரேக். நவ் இட்ஸ் டைம் ஃபார் பிரேக். அடுத்து ஸ்டோரி மீன்ஸ் நமக்கு நார்மலாக தெரியுது ஸ்டோரி. த நெக்ஸ்ட் ஒன் ஸ்டோரிங்கிறது மொட்டை மாடி. அந்த பீஸ், ஐ வாண்ட் ஒன் பீஸ், எனக்கு ஒரு கேக் பீஸ் வேணும். பீஸ்ஃபுல். அண்ட் த நெக்ஸ்ட் ஒன் fall fall foulனா ஃபவுல் ஆயிட்டான் அவுட் ஆயிட்டோம் அப்படிங்கிறது. அதே FOWL மீன்ஸ் காட்டுக்கோழி சொல்கிறோம். ஸோ தட் இஸ் wood. wood மீன்ஸ் மரக்கட்டை. would would you like to I would like to thank. ஸோ அந்த மாதிரி wood, that is. The next one pour pour. The first one is சிறிய துளை துவாரம் சின்ன hole. POUR ஊற்றுதல். the water pour பண்ணுங்க, that is ஊற்றுதல். sail 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 boats. the sailங்கிறது sailing. 8 eat fast form. 8 number 8 flour flour மாவு. night night is a day day சொல்கிறோம்ல day night அது night KNIGHT means படை வீரர்கள். ஸோ அந்த பர்சன்ஸ். waste waste so waste waste. clear children? okay, now we are going to do the practice zone 2 and everyone see page number 53 in your concept book. See practice zone 2. Complete the sentences by using suitable words. So see the first one. At what time will we dash today? Meet. Tick the second one. The next one. Take the next dash turn. Right, right. The first one. Tick the first one. You look so weak, weak. The first one. Tick the first one. The D. I need some dash paper. Plain, plain. Plain means empty. Tick the first one. Plain means aeroplane. The next one. My dash is hurting. Heel, heel. Tick the second one. That is a path. Heel means padam. HEAL. Heel na மலை மவுண்டெயின்ஸ் ஏரியாஸில் ரைடு போகிறப்ப ஹீல் சொல்லுவாங்களா அது. கிளியர்? ஓகே சில்ட்ரன். அண்ட் see page number 54. Match the words of column A with their homophones in column B. So everyone's here gave some words in column A and column B. So everyone's you have to find correct homophones from this column B. Okay, everyone see the first one, he. Mark it. The second one, weak. Where is weak? Fourth one. Yes, write in the box B. Some. The last one. New. F. The next one. One. First one. Own. Read. 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 Plain. PLANE. Plain. Okay children, I hope everyone completed this. Once I reveal the answer, the first one E, second one A, third one G, write in the box, fourth one F, fifth one D and sixth one C. Okay children, I hope everyone completed this. And see question number 4. In each line, circle the two words that sounds the same homophones. So here gave some words and each line you have to circle two words that sounds the same homophones. Everyone circle it. Heel, heel. New, new. Eat, ate, ate. 8 and 8. West, west. Pain, pain. Road, road. Break, break. Right, right. Circle it. Circle the two words in same sounds. Okay children, I hope everyone completed this. And see the fifth one. Complete the sentences by choosing the correct word from the words in the brackets. Okay. The first one. She has dash first fries. Own. First one. The second one. Can you get me the dash sugar? Some. Second one. SOME. Some. The dash was dark. Night. Tick the second one. D. Jack and Jill went up the hill to fetch a dash of water. Pail. Second one. P-A-I-L. Pail. It means வாளி பக்கெட் சொல்கிறோம்ல அது. PALE. It means வெளிரிய ரொம்ப வெளிச்சமாக வெளிரிய தோற்றம் அப்படின்னு சொல்கிறோம்ல அது. Okay children, I hope everyone completed this. And now it's time for homework, and today's homework is complete question number 2 in page number 53 in your concept book. So complete each sentences with there or there. So here gave some sentences. So everyone, you have to choose only the two words there and there. THERE, there. It means a place. There is the book. Okay, அந்த மாதிரி சொல்கிறது. Go there. That is place. THEIR, there means a persons. They went to visit their aunt. ஸோ அவங்களுடைய aunt. அந்த மாதிரி persons சொல்கிறது. So everyone's complete each sentence using there and there. You have to find the suitable word in the sentences. Okay children? Good. Once you're done your homework, post it in Google Classroom, grade 3 English. Okay? Good. Stay safe and stay home. Eat healthy food and drink more water. Stay safe and stay home. Thank you children. Thank you so much. We will see in the next class. Thank you.